This is an MTPredictor daily update. A couple of trades I just wanted to show today, and I'm going to kind of step this forward so you can see. There's the first TS3 setup. This one was with the trend. I'll show you here I'm going to go with the larger trend here. The STF is showing us that the trend is lower here, and that's what we want, especially when you're starting out. It's always good to go with the trend. Some of the more advanced experienced traders can look for some other things against the trend, but when you're starting, go with the trend. And that's all we're doing here, and we'll put the analysis on this. So it's telling us, based on our account size, we can short a maximum of 5 contracts at 10,605 with a stop at 620, risking 375 with a potential profit of about $1,200, risk reward of 3.2, and that's really the big key there. We're risking a little to try and make excuse me, a lot, or a lot more anyway, in relation to that risk. So let's just step this forward and see how this one plays out. Okay, so after just a few bars, by the way, this is the 3-minute YM, that stops out. So you're down $375, but we know that even if we only win half the time, that if we keep our risk reward, if our reward is greater than our risk over time, then we'll still make money on this. So let's just step forward and see what's set up. Okay, then we got another setup here, TS3, and sometimes you'll see this happen. Sometimes that initial setup maybe it was a little early, that we hadn't quite gotten to that peak yet. You got a new TS3 again. We know we're with the trend here, so let's put the analysis on that. Now telling us we can short 4 contracts at 622, 10,622. Our stop up here at 639, with about a 3.4 risk to reward, and a potential profit of $1,166 at this first target, which is the minimum. If I can expand that, the minimum wave C target there. So we'll see how this one played out. So here we've reached our 100% of our initial risk, or in other words, we're up $340 at this point. And there, just after a few minutes, we quickly came down and hit the that first target there. So you can see on that first trade, we risked and lost $375. Trade number 2 comes, same setup, it hits the target for $1,100 there, and even though we were only a 50% trader, we won one and we lost one. The one that we won on was much bigger than the one we lost on, and that's the key.